Good morning and welcome. This morning we are looking at Ethereum, ETH, and how it's faring against the US dollar. Like other cryptocurrencies, Ethereum has experienced explosive growth since the end of 2020. We see here on a similar upward channel path that the entire crypto market is following. However, there are strong divergences between the amount of momentum Ethereum has been able to garner and some of the other cryptocurrencies. Indeed, it is interesting to note that Ethereum has been outperformed by both Bitcoin and smaller altcoins. Whether this spells opportunity for larger gains remains to be seen. There is certainly a strong argument that should Ethereum retrace some of its parity with Bitcoin from previous all-time highs, that a very fast upward movement could be possible. However, in the immediate time frame, we've identified the most important support ranges that we are paying attention to as this price fluctuates. It is nice to see that the implied volatility of this asset is making these ranges much smaller than some of the other altcoins. That likely means we can set up longer time frame trades and be consistently and confidently averaging down our position as Ethereum dips. Now, as always, it is important to note that the bullish long-term case for cryptocurrency is an implied bias to the analysis that I do. Because of this, we expect a long-term price to be greater than the current price, and that informs a lot of our assumptions about the future price action. And is good to note at that same time that this video is not intended as financial advice. This video is entertainment, it is education, and it is information about trading ranges. So, looking at Ethereum's current price at 1,772, we do think the near term retest or breakout of this support line around 1,920 is likely. Whether Bitcoin will continue from that point to break out and move towards whether Ethereum will break out and move towards the 2400 mark remains to be seen. However, should Ethereum get rejected or the macro conditions of the crypto market continue to slowly degrade, then it seems very likely that Ethereum will retest one or more of these previous support levels. And worth noting the variance between the two. Our first identified support of the recent moves at 1,413 still offers about a 20% reduction to move down to the next support line. Because of this, stop losses on Ethereum become extremely important. And we expect opportunities to average down may arise. Thank you for stopping by again. We always appreciate the folks who hang out and let us know what they're thinking about where these coins are going. The future is obviously very confusing given the massive momentum the market is currently in that was almost unforeseeable just 4 months ago. So, again, thank you for stopping by. Make sure to like the channel and subscribe so that you can keep up with our different forms of analysis on YouTube.